quarantine. But as you guys can tell by the title, today we are going to try the watermelon versus rubber bands experiment. You know, Coco just showed me this video of this guy pretty much just putting rubber bands on watermelon, and it like legit exploded. So today we are gonna try just that. Is it a good idea? Probably not, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's get straight into this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more of me. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so pretty much what we're going to do is we have these beautiful colorful rubber bands. Some are like super thick and the other ones are like long and stringy, but we're hoping that this is gonna work. And we also have our beautiful watermelon here that is going to be our little experiment. And yeah, pretty much Coco's gonna put a rubber band and then I'm going to keep going, and we're just gonna go back and forth until legit like this thing explodes, or at least that's what we're trying to get it to. I'm so scared, you guys. We were watching a video of this guy doing it and it legit exploded and hit him in the face. This is really weird, but I put sunglasses on because the guy was wearing goggles, and I just, you know, this thing can't be trusted. So you already did your first rubber band?
Yeah.
Okay. Gosh, this thing is kind of hard.
Telling you.
Do you have to put them close together?
Yeah.
Okay. In the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Honestly, guys, I also would not recommend to try this. Why are we trying it? Great question. I don't know. I don't know why we're trying this. Maybe. And yeah, guys, again, you guys might see flickering because I'm using the same light that I always use and it flickers. These rubber bands are so hard to put on.
Stretch them out. Look. You gotta stretch them.
You're not gonna put sunglasses on? Watch it hit you in the face, dude. And just because I said that, in the face. I don't think this is gonna work. What? We did buy 3 bags of the rubber bands. Dude, look how small this is.
That's why I stretch it. While I'm putting one, stretch it.
We did buy 3 bags of these rubber bands, so hopefully it's enough. But then again, I'm also hoping it's not enough so that this doesn't legit just freaking explode.
Put them on top of each other.
You guys, so when we were looking for this watermelon, we had gone to Vons and then we had gone to the 99 and we couldn't find one. And so Coco calls Smart and Final and he goes, do you guys have watermelons or what? I swear my brother's so chunky. I'm gonna use the thickums. We got that thick. Can't even put it on. Where'd it go? I don't even think we should be this close to the damn watermelon. I feel like we should be a little bit apart.
I hear it cracking.
No, you don't. Hopefully we do have watermelon left over because I do really want some of this. This watermelon is so tight, it can't even keep its balance anymore. Oh, that hurt.
Like hot potato. See who it pops on.
Hopefully it pops on you. Ouchie spots. I don't know why I have a feeling it's gonna pop on this side. Boom! Boom! Ah!
Oh, look it. It left me a mark.
It's because you're too rough. You gotta... Ah! Ah! We currently probably have like a good 100 rubber bands on this watermelon. I don't know about 100. I heard that thing shoot all the way up. Doobie 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 doobie. Oh! Are you okay?
It didn't hit me.
What'd you buy with your stimulus check? A watermelon and rubber bands? Oh! I hope it caught that. It snapped at me and shot me right here.
Oh.
It got me right here. So we freaking ran out of rubber bands, but we're still gonna try and finish this, and we're gonna go get more rubber bands right now. So I'm going to leave the camera recording while we go to the store in case this thing just pops. But yeah, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back with our rubber bands. We had to buy 3 more of these bags, so hopefully this is enough. Don't let go. Okay.
Look at that shit is smack you in the forehead.
I had a friend in kindergarten who would eat the glue.
Probably you, dog.
No, it wasn't me. I used to eat the crayons, but not the glue.
The crayons even worse.
Crayons are good. I always thought it tasted like pistachio
What
ice
did the
cream.
blue one taste like?
Huh? Oh! I can't find the original goggles that I have, so I'm gonna use these. And you guys, we're back on the regular camera. We're trying to get it because this watermelon is dripping so much water from the top. It's cracking, and I think we're about to get an explosion. And I really hope my camera does not die right now. I'm kind of scared. Look at all the water coming out. Oh my god. Oh! It squirted on me. We're on our last bag of rubber bands, so hopefully this freaking is enough to make this damn watermelon crack. Oh! Look how much water is coming out of this thing. I found the other ones because the other ones were not working. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's literally cracked at the top. I'm so scared, you know. Watch it just crack and not even like pop. Watch it just split down the middle. Ah! You're not funny. ¿Qué te ríes?
Finish it, finish it.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. This is the last of it.
Run to your car. I know there's like 3.
There's 3 in my car?
Yeah, and the cup holder. But what if it falls?
Just.
Look, it's bursting from that way too.
What if we tie the ripped ones? Or no? What if we tie the ripped ones to it?
This shit's ripped and dipping.
Oh my god! It broke the table. I told you don't do it on the table. I told you don't. Dude, I told you. Okay guys, so my camera literally died when the thing, like right after the thing exploded. So I don't know if it saved the video, but if it didn't, this is literally the result of it. And this is what happened to the rubber bands right after the watermelon exploded. You guys, it was pretty crazy. ¿Quieres sandía? Agarra. ¿Qué pasó?
Van a recoger todo. Quiero bien limpio aquí.
Ok.
Van a trapear y mi toalla.
Ok. Pero ahí está la sandía partida si la quieres.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.